Hi, welcome to Anne-Marie's workshop. My name is Anne-Marie, and normally I love to make things with joy. This is my hashtag Friday Sews video. Please like, subscribe, and share. I know what you're thinking. What's up with normally? Well, normally I do love to make things with joy, but this is my report on what's happening in the workshop. And in this case, it's dengue fever versus my project Dress a Girl sewing plans. So as you may well know, I went on holiday for 3 days, I think Labor Day weekend, and y'all, I got bit by a mosquito, and we are having a surge of dengue fever cases, and it's official. I went to the hospital yesterday to take my test. I got dengue fever. Anyway, it has just grinded me to a halt in my dress production. I know I shouldn't laugh, but I just ran into it like a brick wall. So my count currently, I have about, I think 7 or 8 already packed in my suitcase to come to America next week. And I was in the midst of another 7. I was kind of doing them factory style. I was doing all my dark colors first, and then my reds. And then finally, I was gonna do my fuchsias. And then I was gonna get to my dresses that I've been cutting out all year long that are not necessarily the Project Dress a Girl or the Dress a Girl Around the World pattern. It would have been other ones that I have been storing and waiting to get to all year. But I'm slowing down. Wah, wah, wah. Anyway, so this happens. I mean, I'm rarely sick, but I have had 2 illnesses. This is dengue and COVID. So I guess everybody has their moments. So now dengue fever is brought on by a mosquito bite. Just like in Texas, we were always running from West Nile. Here we run from dengue, Zika. I guess now they're starting to run from malaria, God forbid. And so this is my first encounter. I'm usually real good about my mask, my location. Ironically, I just had new screens and new screen doors installed on my entire house. The day I got hit with this, Mr. Palmer had installed the last screen in the house on all the doors to make sure that none of this would happen. Oh, y'all. Anyway, so that's what's going on around the workshop. I intended September to be my Project Dress a Girl month, so I was all geared up to make all sorts of girls' dresses. And according to the doctor, he wanted to put me in the hospital, but he said I could recover from home. They'll just monitor me. It's a big public health thing. It's on the news. It's huge. And it's the very first time I've participated in a thing. Normally, I'm just sitting there at the table going, "Oh, you poor people." Now I'm the poor people. Oh my goodness. Anyway, so that as far as what's going on, but let me go ahead and look and see what the forum topic is. I'm feeling pretty good, and that's the thing about dengue is the fever and the pain. All of that has passed me by days ago, but oh, it's miserable. Oh, it was so miserable. And so let me go see what the topic was, because remember, hashtag Friday Sews is a forum of the sew creators on Facebook, and Jenny Wessner is the founder, and Madi from Madi Sews Curves is an admin on the site, and I'm gonna go find out what the thing is that we're talking about this week. Okay, it says September 15, let's talk going green with Echo Sewing. Have you made any reusable items lately? What textiles did you use? I like to use every single piece of materials because I do create quite a few garments. So most of the time, I will create whatever garment I'm working with that I'm very interested in. And then depending upon if what is left over is big enough to create another garment, I will go ahead and do that. And then I will use the scrap from, if they're 100% cotton, they go into my quilting stores, which are over here, all the different colors. All right, sorry, the workshop is a zoo. This Denge has really gotten me going for quilt pieces. And then if I have even smaller scraps, things like little tiny shred, I'll use to stuff to make dolls. I really don't have, I don't even have thread left over because all my snips and everything are in there. Hold on, I'll show you. So these are like my smallest pieces that when I'm sewing and everything and I can't find anything else to do with them, I use these to scrap for my dolls. And so I feel pretty good about Echo use as far as fabric and such. I tend to use every single last piece. So this week, wish me luck. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 dresses in progress. And so I'm just gonna take my time. There's a lot of sleeping with the recovery of Denge. And I'm grateful that I've come through the worst of it. I do have a little bit of a haul. I got in the mail a piece of Ankara. They say it's 100% cotton, and I'm gonna have to let you know. But I thought the print was so beautiful. I haven't washed it yet, so I don't know for sure if it's 100% cotton. It doesn't feel like 100% cotton to me. So I'm gonna have to do the burn test. It doesn't have an official label on it. It says guaranteed African wax. It says it is, but you know, it could be. It could be. It's beautiful though. Anyway, I got it on Temu, and so far I've been very pleased. They do tend to tell you when it is Ankara-like versus when it is authentically Ankara. So we'll see. But I think that's it, guys. It's a weird week. Next Friday, I'll be in Houston. So we'll see you then. All right. Please take care. Watch out for those mosquitoes.